show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at 90 right angle, then it is a square, right? Is that the same question that you are basically pointing?
Sorry, sir. Can I just open the question
Yes,
paper,
yes,
please?
yes. Take your time. That's why I'm saying that, because if you have doubts, so it would be much easier to basically take reference from that. Zad, do you have any doubt? Aris?
So I didn't join.
Okay. Zad?
No doubt.
Sure. Have you attempted the whole question paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I have doubt in the 37th question in the given
Acha, acha.
DABC.
Okay, okay. In the given DABC, lines are drawn through ABC and AB and C parallel respective to the side BC, CA and AB, forming DPQR. So that BC is half QR. Okay. Okay. So let me draw the figure as well. Okay. So it's okay. So let me draw one figure. So the figure will be like this. Okay. Let me let me take first a snip of the question, then I will be drawing the figure first. Figure is okay. So this is a question basically in the given DABC. Just a second. It's not DABC, it's triangle. There's a typing mistake right there. It's not DABC, it's triangle. Okay. Okay. It's triangle. This is a typing mistake. Okay. This is basically the sign of the triangle. In triangle ABC, lines are drawn through ABC parallel to the sides BC, CA and AB. So it's clear, everybody? This is not
Yes,
a basically D. This is a triangle sign. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Parallel to BC, CA forming PQR. So this is opposite rectangle will be formed here like this. So this is given BC, P, Q and R, A, just a second, इसको opposite ले लेते हैं, ज़्यादा आसानी होगी. ऐसे लेते हैं. ठीक है. So there's a one triangle formed like this. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
So it is. So basically, PQ ABC is a triangle. Okay. Lines are drawn through the sides of the ABC points parallel respectively to the BC, CA and AB forming. So when we will be drawing the line, so basically a triangle will be formed which is PQR. Clear? So here it is P was respect. We have to name them accordingly. It's PQR. Okay, and it is A, B, and C. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
You can see this thing now. Lines are drawn parallel. AC, it's AC, PQ, it's like AB and PR, and QR is basically BC, parallel to BC. Clear? We have to show this thing. Just a second. To prove BC is equals to half of QR. So basically you can, so half of QR. It means that it's the midpoint right there. Clear? So in the question already given part is BC is parallel to QA or QR basically. So this whole line, so this is parallel to this. Clear? Already given enough. It's given already. And AC is parallel to QB. This part, AC is parallel to QB. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means that if the opposite pairs of a quadrilateral, suppose assume this quadrilateral, ACBQ, opposite pairs of lines are parallel, it means that it's a parallelogram. The first property of the quadrilateral chapter. How many of you remember this thing? Aris, Zad, and Yatika. How many of you remember this thing? They opposite pair of a quadrilateral. If they are parallel, it means that it's a parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, so AB is AB, like AQBC. Okay. So let's come in the proof. So BC is parallel to QA and AC is parallel to QB. So can I write ABCD is a AB, sorry, BCQA is a parallelogram. Yes or no?
Yes.
Opposite sides are parallel. It pair of opposite sides are parallel. It means that it's a parallelogram. So, and similarly, we can also prove BCRA, this part. AB will be parallel to RC. Am I clear to everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
And AR will be parallel to BC again. Clear? So opposite pairs are equal, sorry, parallel. It means that this portion is also a parallelogram. This portion. Okay. So similarly, because same concept will be there, let me write it here. Okay, let me write it here. AB is parallel to RC and BC is parallel to AR. It means that BC RA is a parallelogram. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from this equation, from this parallelogram BCQA, can I write BC and QA are equal because the opposite sides are also equal in the parallelogram? Second property of the quadrilateral chapter.
Yes.
Opposite pairs of quadrilateral are equal if it's a parallelogram. BC will be equals to QA this is equation number 1, suppose. And in this equation as well, in this part, if it's BC equals to RA, so BC will be equals to AR. Okay. Now see this thing. If the left hand side of both the equation are equal, can I equate the equation? Okay, चलो let's equate नहीं करते, मैं directly आपको यहाँ से direct show कर देता हूँ. Can I write QR as QA plus AR?
Yes.
Yes or no? If the line segment is divided into two parts, so basically we have to add the individual portions to get the whole line segment. QR can be written as QA plus AR. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What happened to Ariz and Zad? Why both of you are not responding? At least if you are in class, please respond. Ariz, are you there? Ariz,
Yes, sir.
are you seriously attending the class?
Yes, sir.
If you have not given the test, Ariz, so it means that you are in a class and I am discussing a paper. So it should be your responsibility to basically answer the things which I am asking. Only Yatika is responding. Zad, it's your responsibility as well. If you have done the paper, that's a good thing, but at least you should have. I'm just revising the concept that you have gone through.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So QR can be written as QA plus AR. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So from here, yeah. So this is equation number 3. Add the equation number 1 and 2. Add equation number 1 and equation 2. So BC plus BC is equals to QA plus AR. 2BC is equals to QA plus AR is what? QR from equation number 3. Yes or no? Yatika, Zad and Aris.
Yes, sir.
So BC will be equals to 1 by 2 of QR. That's you need to prove this thing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what you need to prove now. So basically the basic properties which are used, which I've used in this chapter, basically the question is using is the properties of a parallelogram. You have to be very, like, the properties of a parallelogram should be on your fingertips. If you are going through the quadrilateral chapter, so it should be on your fingertips. First property, opposite pair of a parallelogram are parallel to each other. Clear? Second is the opposite pair of sides are equal to each other. Clear? It means that QA, suppose in this thing, this is a parallelogram, QA will be equals to BC and QB will be equals to AC. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the basic properties. These are the two basic properties that have been used in this question. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And after that, I've just added both the equations to get the value of QR. You can also equate them to say that QA and AR are equal to each other. once you have done this thing, you can add it. Like basically, you can replace this QR by a, because we have to basically use BC. Is this it's QR now? QR. We have to use BC. So QA can be written as BC, or AR can be written as BC. So one it will be. So that step that I have not used can be a shorter part. So suppose this thing. This is the method 2. So QA will be equals to AR. Yes or no? Because BC and BC left hand sides are equal. It means that right hand side will be also equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So if they are this thing, so QR can be written as QA plus QA 2 times QA, because AR is also equals to QA. So QR will be equals to 2QA and QA will be equals to half of QR. So QA is equals to what? BC. The value of Q is equals to BC. So can I write BC is equals to half QR? Clear? These are the
Sir,
two.
why? Sorry, sir. Sir, why we took QA plus QA?
Dear, QA plus QA, because instead of AR, okay, देखो, BC and BC left hand side equal है. So
Right.
can I equate both one equation and two equation? Because the left hand side are equal, it means that right hand side will also be equal.
Okay.
Clear? From that, I
Yes.
can conclude QA is equals to AR. Okay.
Okay.
So can I write in place of AR QA?
Okay. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
1 QA and QA 2 QA, and the value of QA is equals to BC.
Yes.
So we need to get BC to show this thing, to show this quadratic the equation. Yes or
Okay.
no? And that's why I have taken BC in place of QA. Clear?
Clear.
I hope it's clear. You can take AR as well. Instead of QA 2 times, you can take AR as well, because AR is also equals to BC.
So, sir, basically it should be equal.
Yes, yes, yes. You can take any of the part, because QA is also equals to BC. If you take AR, you can write 2AR here, and it will be also equals to BC. After that, once you are done with the if you basically once you shift the 2 in the denominator, AR will be left here. Just same steps. So AR will be replaced by BC, because AR is also equals to BC. We need BC on the right left hand side. Clear?
Oh, yes, sir. Clear.
I hope it's clear, dear. Yatika, Zad and Aris.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay. So any other doubt? Yes, Yatika dear. Zad, Aris, all of like it's open to all. Any other
Yes,
doubt in
sir.
this? Yes, Yatika, tell
No.
me dear.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. If I give you one question, okay, solve this question. I'm basically giving the question in the quadrilateral chapter, in this question paper itself. Okay, solve this one.
Okay.
Yeah, solve this one. Solve this one question.
Okay.
Giving you 2 minutes to solve this, 2 or 3 minutes, not more than that. So is the syllabus completed in your batch? Yatika, Zad and Aris?
Almost.
Almost. So which chapter is currently going on in your batch?
The circles.
Circles chapter. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. चलो, that's great. So only the last chapter is circle in your batch. Yes, everybody. Is this the last chapter in your batch?
Sir, we were doing surface area and volume, not circles.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. Chalo, that's great.
Didn't start circles.
Okay, okay. Next, surface area and volume is an easy chapter. It's not that much hard. Done? Zaid Aris? Any answer from anybody?
Sir, I'm doing.
अच्छा, अच्छा, चलो, take time. Giving you 1 more minute. So in which school you are studying, Yatika dear?
Sorry, sir.
In which school you are basically studying?
I'm studying in, like, I should tell my school name.
Yes, yes. Like basically you are in UAE.
Yes, Russell
Okay.
Khema.
Okay, okay. In which state of UAE?
Russell Khema.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. So you are from India, right? Or you are native of UAE?
Yes.
Okay, from India where?
No, Delhi.
Okay, you are from Delhi. That's great.
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'm also from Delhi.
Oh, that's good.
From which part of Delhi?
Sarita Bihar.
Oh, that's so close of mine area. Have you heard Okla?
Yes, sir.
I live in Okla, Zakir Nagar.
Oh, that.
Yeah. Jamia, near Jamia Millia Islamic University.
Sir, sir.
Jamia Millia Islamic University. Like Zakir Nagar's
I
Batla
have heard
House.
of that. Yes, yes, I've heard of
Yes,
that.
yeah. So that's my area. Basically the place
Yeah.
where I live.
Yes, yes. My aunt and all lives there, so
Okay,
we
that's great. That's
travel
great.
there.
That's
Yeah.
great. Okay. So any answer? Like it's almost 10 minutes. It's not a big question. It's a very straightforward question. Okay, chalo. Let's look at the screen. Everybody, look at the screen. Like only Yatika is like, it seems like only Yatika is attending the class at the 2 hours, just like the absentees. No response from Zad and no respond from Aris as well. Okay, chalo. Okay, no issues. Okay, everybody, please tell me. First of all, look at this. Angle B, if and this angle will be making 180-degree linear pair of angles. How many of you remember this thing in the
I
lines and
remember.
angles chapter? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's so basically, so angle B plus angle DAB. This is angle DAB, na? DAB, clear? Will be equals to 180-degree linear pair. Remember?
Yes.
Very good. Similarly, this thing. Angle C plus angle DCB, this angle, clear? Will be equals to 180. Similarly, like this is suppose equation number 1. Okay. Angle A plus angle DCB equals to 180-degree, yes or no? Same
Yes.
property, linear pair. This is equation number 2. See this thing. If both the both the sum are equal to 180-degree, so can I equate both the equation? Because on the right hand side, the sum is equals to 180. It means that if both the equations, right hand side of both the equations are equal, so can I write B plus DAB is equals to A plus DCB? Dekho,
Yes.
180, the value of 180 equals to 180. Is it true? Yes. Is it true or false?
True.
True, na? So can I write, instead of 180, can I write this equation? And instead of this 180, can I write this equation? That's how you basically equate the equations. Clear?
Right.
Okay. I hope it's clear to Yatika, Zad and Aris.
Yes.
So angle B plus angle DAB will be equals to angle A plus angle DCB. So now tell me, is it clear, yes or no? Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Instead of, just a second. DAB. Okay, do this thing. Instead of not taking equating, do this thing. Don't equate them. Just take the value of DAB in terms of ABC. 180 minus A, third equation, and DCB, I'm just shifting this on the right hand side, will be equals to 180 minus B minus A. ये B होगा. ठीक है? This is equation number 4. Now, can I say that thing? Angle A, angle B plus angle C plus angle D. किसके इक्वल होता है? Can anybody tell me the
360.
property sum? Yes, 360. Property of angle B, sorry, angle, what is the value of angle A? 180 minus B. Angle A. Middle one is the name of the angle. Okay? Clear? So angle A is 180 minus B plus angle B. This whole angle B is equals to X plus
Right.
angle C. This middle angle is C. So it's 180 minus A. Yes or no? Plus of angle D is
Yes.
equals to whole angle is Y. Is equals to Y. 360. We can take that, like we can also prove that from the previous one, but that will take a lot longer step. It's a shorter one. Okay. So that's why I opted this because that's why I've rubbed those steps. So I've opted this one. So add this thing. 180 and 180 will be equals to 180 plus 180 will be equals to 360, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Will be equals to 360 minus 360. So this will cancel. Clear? So we have to prove x plus y is equals to a plus b. So we have already done, like we are almost basically near to this. So we can shift this b on the right hand side to get it positive, and we can shift this a as well to get it positive. So x plus y will be equals to a plus b. That's what we need to prove, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
prove. It took only 2 minutes to solve this. Why you have taken so much time for this like 2 mark or 3 mark question? Is it clear to everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's great. Chalo, let me give you one more question here. It's a straightforward question. Do this question, giving you 3 minutes. Okay. Just coming back in a moment. Basically, just taking a water. Okay. Just give me a, okay. Solve this till then. Yes, Yatika, Zayad, and Ariz. Any answer? Are you there, everybody?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Like, is there any answer? Any answer? Anybody? Please let at least respond to me. What happened? Are you there?
Sir, just almost done.
Okay, ठीक है. Ariz, Zad.
Almost, sir.
Almost okay. Acha, please tell me what is the what does it mean isosceles trapezium? Does anybody know any property related to isosceles trapezium?
It's two, like its two side will be parallel, I guess. No. No, sir, I don't know.
Okay, okay. Okay, what about you, Zad? I'm asking, like, do you know the property of a isosceles trapezium?
So there will be a triangle, something I've learned it, but I forgot.
Yes, you are a little bit right, but we don't need the triangle in this. We just need two equations, not more than that. Okay, so let's do once again, do this question.
Sir, I got x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 40.
Okay, let's verify. Okay, when I will do it, verify it from there. Chalo, देखो. Everybody, look at the screen. It's okay. So basically, this question is saying that ABCD is an isosceles triangle, trapezium. So isosceles basically means that the opposite angles of the base will be equal to each other. So this. So in this, angle C will be equal, angle A will be equals to angle B. Clear? This is the property of a isosceles trapezium. Clear? Hai? At least say yes or no to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it's clear and the sum of two opposite angles will be equals to 180 of a trapezium. Yes or no?
Yes.
So first let's
Yes.
take the value as 4x will be equals to 2y. So basically 2x will be equal to y. This is first equation. Basically I have divided the 4 by 2. Okay, that's how 2x is left. Clear? And yeah, so 5x plus 2y is equals to 180. Yes or no? Opposite
Sir,
sides. Huh? Yes, Yadika, you're saying something?
sir, I was saying that opposite.
Yes, you have told, like you have said that. Yes, you are right. Okay, so 5x plus 2y is equals to 180. So you can, okay, just two things. Because there is 2y ना, don't take the common. Okay, directly ये equation use कर लेते हैं क्योंकि 2y will be equals to 4x. So 5x plus 4x is equals to 180. ठीक है? So it is 9x is equals to 180 degree. So x will be equals to 20 degree. Yes or no? If x is equals to 20 degree, 4 into 20 is equals to 2y. Okay. So it is 4 2 8. It would be 80 divided by 2. 80 degree divided by 2 is equals to 40 degree. That's what you need to. So why did you take so much time to solve this 3-line calculations? Please explain it to me.
Sir, I was taking like A, B, D, and like that.
Okay, no. Basically, the question basically got simplified when you read this word. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the basically this is the property of an isosceles trapezium. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you hear the word isosceles trapezium, it means that the opposite angles of the base will be equal to each other. This is, you have seen the isosceles triangle देखा होगा ना आपने, उसके opposites angles equal होते हैं. Yes or no?
Sir.
तो सेम चीज isosceles trapezium में भी होती है. ठीक है? Clear everybody? Zad and
Okay.
Aris, to you as well. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take one more question and then that will be the last question of the class. Okay, so which question?
Sir, can you
Yes.
scroll down? Can I copy the answer?
Sure. This one. Who is there? Okay, do this question. The straightforward question, like it's totally based on the topic because we have only 4 minutes in this class, so I'm just giving you a simple, straightforward question. Do this one. अच्छा देखो, look at the screen. I think इतना टाइम तो नहीं लगना चाहिए क्वेश्चन में.
Got the answer.
Got the answer? Very good, very good. देखो, quadrilateral है, straightforward. You can do one thing. This is x plus 10 will be equals to x plus 10 plus 120 will be equals to 360 or not? Oh, sorry, 180 or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
So x will be equals to 180. This is t degree. 180 minus 130 degree. So it's equals to 50. Is that your value of x? Clear?
Yes.
If you have the value of x, it means that 2x plus 20 plus y is equals to 180. Yes or no?
Yes.
Put the value of x, 2 into 50 plus 20 plus y is equals to 180. Okay. So it's 120. Y is equals to 100
78.
and 120. It's 60, dear. 2 into 50, 100 plus 20. 120 subtract from 180. What you will get? Okay, it's 102. Okay. Sorry. It's 102. So we have made mistake right here. It's 102, no? I thought it's 102. So it will be equals to. Okay. कोई नहीं. So x plus 10 plus 102 is equals to 180 degree. So it is 80, like, okay, 88, 78. So it's 112 is equals to 180. Okay. So x will be equals to 10, 70, 68 degrees. Okay. Put the value here. 68 degree. So 68 will be equals to 136. 60, 36 plus 20 degree plus y is equals to 180. So it is equals to 180 minus 156. So y will be equals to 60 and 20, 24 degree. Is that your answer?
No.
Huh?
No, sir.
It's not the answer? Okay, चलो कोई नहीं. Like
Sir, I
यहाँ पे
got x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 78.
देखो, x is equals to 50 नहीं आ सकता because ये देखो, ये वाली इक्वेशन है, ये आपको 180 के इक्वल आएगी. तो 102 and 10 कितना होता है? 112. If you subtract 112,
I took like angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Then their values is equal to 180. And then I got x is equal to 50. And then y, like angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. And I got y is 78.
just a second, put the values here. 2 into 50. This is the value 78 you got.
Yes.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay. Plus 20 plus 78 is equals to, match करते हैं, 100 plus 20 plus 78. 120 and 78, it's equals to 198. It should be greater than 180. इन दोनों का सम 180 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए या कम होना, इक्वल्स टू 180 होना चाहिए. अगर अब मैं x की वैल्यू 50 पुट कर रहा हूँ तो आई गॉट 198 इन दोनों का सम मिलाकर, क्योंकि 78 आपको इक्वेशन मिला है ना.
Right.
अगर आप यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट करते हैं 68 x की वैल्यू, 2 into 68 plus 20 plus 24 is equals to 2 into 68 हो गया 136 plus 20 कितना हुआ और 24 ये हो गया आपका. So 136 and 4 कितना हुआ 140, 140 and 20 160, 160 and 20 180.
180. Oh,
Which one is
okay.
correct?
The one you did.
Second one ना.
Right.
ठीक है.
Yes.
So
clear.
this is all about this chapter, like this session, not chapter. Basically ये question paper discuss हुआ था. Is it clear, Yatika and Zad and Aris?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So that's all for this class, everybody. So you can leave the meeting. So because